has been a drastic technical progress in the urban world around us. But when you travel deep into the roots of rural India, we can find women still using the traditional biofuel such as residue of crops, dry dung, woods, etc.
When I go to get water, the stove goes off. I have to light it again. The vessels become black. I have a lot of respiratory problems while using woods because of the smoke. My eyes even itch and burn in the smoke.
Mr. Jyoti K. Parikshik from Indira Gandhi Institute of Development Research in his paper World Summit for Sustainable Development has stated that traditional biofuels emit a large number of pollutants associated with adverse pregnancy outcomes such as stillbirth, premature births and low birth weights.
From small kids to elder people, the lung problems are affecting birth kids even. The reason for it is that there is no proper ventilation in the house. They cook food there, they live there and breathe in all the smoke which is creating the problem. Every day we have 15 to 20 cases of breathing problem.
हमारे पास every day 15 to 20 cases आ रहा है.
The excessive use of firewood is leading towards deforestation. As per the survey done by the Foundation for Ecological Security, a non-governmental organization in Rayalpad, located in the Kolar district of Karnataka, the supply of biomass fuel wood does not cater to the demands of the villagers.
Cutting of trees destroys the environment, affect the weather and reduces rain. But the panchayat is not responsible for the forest. The forest is the responsibility of the forest department.
There are a lot of alternatives for cooking fuel woods, solar energy, fuel like kerosene, LPG cylinders, smokeless chula are some of them.
Biomass, see the leaves, the biomass, the bagasse, various things of this type. The only challenge that we have in solar is, see the cost of production. So throughout the world and more so in India as well, there is a research going on to manufacturing cost itself to be brought down so that the equipment themselves will cost little, so that your ultimate product out would be costing less. The most important thing is it's an energy, it's technology which is emerging, would take time, a lot of research is required, but I'm sure there's nothing, you got to go there.
One of the alternatives followed by the villages in Kolar district is the usage of smokeless chulhas.
Earlier the entire house was filled with smoke, but after installing the smokeless chula, the smoke goes out through the chimney. The wall does not become black. This chula was installed by the government and we are very happy. Before 70 rupees bundle of fuel woods used to last for 3 days, but now it lasts for more than 7 days.
Before it was difficult as we had to go to the forest to get firewood. But now after installing the smokeless chula, the wood consumption is less and the vessels don't turn black also. The smoke goes out through the chimney.
Earlier 20 kg of wood was consumed, but now 12 kgs is only consumed. The cost advantage is nil. The main advantage is that it is faster to cook.
This chulha keeps the smoke away and uses less firewood as compared to the conventional stove. It also takes less amount of time for cooking. India, being a country of cattle wealth, should be more adapt to biogas technology. It is one of the other alternatives for fuel woods.
Government of India has its biogas, lots of incentives for biogas plants, the fixed dome type which was very successful. The technology is on and people are using it.
For biogas, there is a complete grant from the government. The government has a target of installing 100 to 200 biogas plants every year, and it also gives 100% subsidy for the installment.
గోబర్ గ్యాస్ లేకముందు మాకే కెటిల్ తెచ్చి పైల అగ్గి మంటేసుకుంటా అంటే
The vessels do not turn black after using gobar gas. Before, I used to face a lot of problem. I had to collect wood and cook food. The smoke used to burn my eyes and I used to face a lot of respiratory problem. But now the gobar gas helps me cook food quicker for my family.
స్కూల్కి కూడా పిల్లలతో బిన్న పంపించవచ్చు మిసిలోళ్ళు పాడు ఉన్నారు వాళ్ళకి టయానికి అన్నం చేసి పెట్టచ్చు.
Earlier, Pramila had to get up early in the morning to make the kitchen ready for breakfast by collecting firewoods and then cutting it into small sticks so that she could cook breakfast for her kids. But now, biogas has become a boon for her.
Biogas what?
Because I do not use biogas, I do not know anything about its effects.
నాకు తెలియదు.
To the irony, biogas, after being introduced in the late 1970s in India as an answer to the growing energy crisis, has not yet reached to the grassroots levels of rural India.
There are not enough space for the people to install biogas in their houses.
ಅಂದರೆ ಅದು ಬಯೋಗ್ಯಾಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಜನಗಳಿಗೆ ತುಂಬ ಅನುಕೂಲ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಲೋ ಕಾಸ್ಟಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ.
The reason for no widespread acceptance of biogas is that there is not enough livestock. People are selling the cattle, and as such there is not enough dung to service the biogas cooker. And also the technique to install biogas is not known to everyone. The instructions to install it come straight from the Zilla Parishad. Even if there is a small crack, the gas will not be formed. The knowledge not being widespread, that is why the installation is very low.
A lot of money is spent on the maintenance of biogas, which sometimes becomes unaffordable for the people.
ఎందుకు మానేశారంటే దాని నుంచి కొంచెం తొందరలు అవుతా ఉండే.
The problem in the house increased while using gobar gas. My mom got appendicitis. I felt too much heat in my body and did not feel well. But now I am using HP gas and there is no problem.
దానికి మేము దాన్ని స్టాప్ చేసి దీన్ని యూజ్ చేస్తున్నాం ఇప్పుడు.
LPG gas is also an alternative of fuel wood which keeps healthy environment in the kitchen without any smoke harming the lungs of the women.
I get the cylinder from the taluk. It costs me 350 rupees and the bus charges 100 rupees. In total, it costs me around 450 rupees.
The LPG gas dealer, Mr. Satish of Srinivaspur Taluk, said that they have approximately 10,000 customers.
We use HP cylinder. We cook food for 300 kids in the school. Every month, our school vehicle goes to Srinivaspur Taluk and gets 12 cylinders at a time.
The LPG gas being one of the other alternative is not leaving behind the kerosene stoves. The people use kerosene stove as an alternative for the fuel wood.
We use kerosene stove to cook. Per day, 1.5 liter kerosene is used. We get 3 liters from the government ration card. If we need more, we buy it in black. If we buy from the government, it costs 10 rupees per liter. And if we buy from the black market, it costs rupees 25.
There are a lot of alternatives for cooking, which has come across the world. But the marginalizing of rural India, lack of knowledge, lack of money is keeping them away from all basic amenities of life.